Hey everyone, I'm Mia from Golden Warriors Robotics, Team 8576. In this video, we're breaking down the 2024 to 25 FTC game, Into the Deep, and showing you how to build a simple and effective match strategy. Whether you're new to FTC or returning, knowing the game and having a solid plan is one of the first steps towards winning. Let's start with an overview. In Into the Deep, two team alliances compete on a 12-foot by 12-foot field. This theme is underwater exploration. Teams interact with three game elements: samples, clips, and specimens. A specimen is a sample with a clip attached. Your goal is to score points by delivering these to baskets and chambers, parking in the observation zone, or climbing into submersible during in-game. Now, let's talk field layout. There are 40 yellow neutral samples, 34 are placed in the center submersible zone. The remaining 6 are located on the outer spike tiles, with 3 on each side. In addition to these, there are 20 alliance colored samples, 17 red and 17 blue, positioned in the submersible zone. 3 more of each color sits on the outer spike tiles. Only red and blue samples can be used to make specimens. Human players do this by attaching clips to the correct colored samples. There are 40 clips total, and only the human players can handle them. Each match has 3 parts: a 30-second autonomous period, a 90-second teleop period, and a 30-second in-game phase. The biggest opportunities are in in-game, especially through climbing and docking actions. During autonomous, your robot starts with 1 sample or 1 specimen. You can score a sample in the high basket for 8 points, the low basket for 4 points, or by pushing it into the net zone for 2 points. Specimens are worth more: 6 points in the low chamber and 10 points in the high chamber. A simple autonomous routine that scores 1 sample or specimen reliably already gives you an early lead. You don't need complexity, you need consistency. After autonomous comes the teleop period. This is the 90-second driver controlled phase. Your goal here is to keep moving. Use your robot to collect samples, create specimens, and deliver them to scoring zones. The most important thing is clean, repeatable cycles. Choose one task your robot does well and stick with it. Don't overcomplicate. Reliability wins matches. Next is in-game. These final 30 seconds are critical for scoring high-value points. Your robot can park in the observation zone for 3 points. It can touch the low rung for 3 points. It can hang from the low rung for 15 points. Or it can climb to the high rung for 30 points. Climbing is one of the most efficient ways to earn points in a match. Design your robot to do the level of climb it can complete every time. Don't gamble on a high-scoring move that fails under pressure. Each alliance includes 1 human player. Their job is to create specimens by clipping alliance-colored clips onto samples. Once clipped, the human player must place the specimen on the floor or hang it from a wall. The robot cannot touch it at the same time. This handoff rule matters and needs to be part of your workflow. Each team also has 2 drivers, who control the robot during teleop, and 1 coach. The coach manages time, coordinates strategy, and initializes code at the start of the match. Now let's talk about strategy. Based on what we've seen from experienced teams and ongoing discussions in the FTC community, there are 5 key points that form a strong match play. First, focus on getting 1 consistent autonomous score. It doesn't need to be fancy. 1 sample or specimen delivered every match builds a foundation. Higher performing teams may reach for midfield pickups and high basket scores, but that starts with getting the basics right. Second, build your team teleop plan around repeatable cycles. 1 task done cleanly is better than switching between multiple complex goals. Choose whether you're collecting and scoring samples or creating and delivering specimens. Keep your path efficient, reduce risk, maximize output. Third, lock in your in-game. Pick a climbing target that your robot can hit every time. It could be parking, it could be a low rung hang, it could be a full high rung climb. Whatever it is, do it consistently. In-game points are high value, and failing a climb can swing the match. Fourth, understand your field. Know where samples are located. Plan your movements to avoid backtracking or traffic. Map out your cycle. Neutral samples are in the submersible. Colored ones are on the spike tiles. Position matters. Fifth, coordinate with your alliance partner. This matters more than most teams realize. Divide roles. Avoid redundancy. One robot scores while the other sets up for endgame. Share your strengths and weaknesses before the match. Decide who covers which zones. Agree on when to switch to endgame. Coaches need to stay aligned and communicate during the match. Poor coordination costs points. Good coordination builds momentum. Also, avoid penalties. Minor fouls give the other team 5 points. Major fouls give 15. Dangerous or illegal moves can result in yellow or red cards. These affect rankings and playoffs. Stay safe, know the rules, drive clean. In Into the Deep, you don't win by building the most complex robot. You win by executing well, communicating with your partner, and staying consistent. Each match is two teams working together. Strong alliances don't form by chance. They're built through clear planning and mutual trust. Before the match, talk to your partner. Explain what your robot can and can't do. Agree on a plan. Stick to it. Into the Deep rewards focus, reliability, and teamwork. Whether it's scoring one object in Autonomous, running efficient teleop cycles, or finishing with a successful climb, your team needs a plan that works every time. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll show how to design a full match plan with your alliance partner.